guys sa mga viewer and subscriber. Shout out to Pichi Ernest Camille according to Japanese and okay. Tita Rose, shout out guys. Shout out to what is po ba? Pakistani girl in USA. Shout out guys. Shout out to Tita Rose Vlog, Lakbay Hara, Phoenix and girl, shout out. Shout out sa mga viewer and subscriber. Shout out to Pichi Ernest Camille according to Japanese and cooking. Tambul USA, Jin USA, Sis Deng, thank you so much, Lisa John Queen. Shout out guys. Diyan mo na ganyan. Yan mo na siya ganyan mo. Shout out ko. Mag-aayos ako dito doon. Hinahanap ako. Hindi ko makita-kita yung hinahanap. Iwan ko nasa kanina. I don't know where. Kapag may hinahanap ko ba, minsan ang hirap hanapin, hindi nakikita. I don't know, nasaan na yun. I'm not sure. Shout out. Shout out guys sa mga viewer and subscriber. Kaya nag-aayos ako guys. Shout out sa mga viewer and subscriber. Thank you so much guys sa mga viewer and subscriber. Shout out. Hi guys, shout out sa mga viewer and subscriber. Shout out everyone. Shout out everyone. Shout out to Tita Rose Vlog. Shout out.